Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and I'm at the world headquarters of G's Bees, which is located in Orange, Virginia, and it's first part of July. I don't know if you can see the old hat there, a little sweat. So here's what I know. If I'm hot, those bees are hot. And they need water just like we do too. And there's streams and stuff like that that they could get water from, but it's just like us. We want to go and get water close to us. As soon as we get refreshed, we can get back to work. So only in respect for the bees, we're going to put up a feeder, a water feeder. So what I've got here, and I can't flip the camera around, so I'll have to stop and start it all over, but that's okay too. What I've got here is I've got a T-post, a bracket that I got at Tractor Supply, and a poultry water. So I'm just going to mount it up here in the bee yard. Hey, let's do it like this, and there's more than one way to do this, right? So feeder, T-post, bracket. I'm going to tell you something. If you've got to put a lot of posts in, go ahead and buy one of those. I tried to do the sledgehammers thing. It's about 5 feet in the air. You just can't swing it. That thing was about 20 bucks, 25 bucks, same thing. Once you have it, you'll always use it. So I'm going to get to hammering over here in the corner, show you guys the finished product. Hey, the pause thing on this thing works. So this thing right here slides over top of it, drives it right in the ground. Pretty simple. Gonna grab this little T-bracket right here. One of these days, I'm gonna get a professional video photographer, whatever they're called. But this thing connects up on like this. It's a little better than that, but it goes down. Probably should put the post on the other way, but I don't guess the bees will matter. Pop it up in here. Here we go. It's got a nice little strong platform like that. I think it was like $4. Put our waterer, and I'm probably going to put some rocks or something like that in there too on the bottom, because bees will drown. They can't swim very well, so we're going to do that, and then they'll be good to go. But that's where we're at. That's our last project here, or our latest project. I don't think it's ever going to be a last. 2 hives out here, Ripple and Franklin. Name fell off, but I put mouse guards on them, and I checked them yesterday, and seem to be doing good. Still drinking a lot of syrup, taking a lot of stuff in. So anyway, you guys have a good July. It's July in Virginia. Triple H, hazy, hot, and humid. See you guys later.